my thrifty friends, Tabs here from the Urban Goddess shop. Welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to announce that Poshmark came out with bundle shipping for live shows. This is the feature everyone has been waiting for. You no longer have to make the bundles yourself, send the requests, all that rigmarole. Everything is going to be done through Poshmark, and I thought this would be a perfect time to go over what the basic shipping rates are and the additional shipping charges. In today's video, we are going to cover shipping in the US, shipping in Canada, how to purchase additional weights for shipping, and what can happen if you don't follow the rules. Okay, let's just jump right into this. We're going to start with the US. The base cost for shipping a package on Poshmark US is $7.67. This is good to a max weight of 5 pounds. This is using USPS 1 to 3 day priority mail service. 5 pounds is the max weight that you can have for a package at this price point. It is the seller's responsibility to weigh their packages and bundles. If you're unsure of how much something weighs, just check. It's not worth getting in trouble over. And the good news is that you can purchase additional weights for your package. So something to keep in mind, if your packages are over the 5 pounds, you as a seller will have to pay the overage shipping label. We're going to break down the pricing for each additional pound. For 6 pounds, it's $4.50. For 7 pounds, it's $9. For 8 pounds, it's $13.50. For 9 pounds, it's $18, and for 10 pounds, it's a whopping $22. I was actually shocked when I read this because if you're in the US, you don't want to listen to our Canadian rates. You're gonna be upset. This is what you have to purchase. So basically, if you weigh your package, it weighs up to 7 pounds. You're gonna have to purchase the $9 additional shipping weight. When you do this, it's gonna send you a new label, and you're gonna put that on your package. Now we're gonna go over the Canadian ones. In Canada, the base cost is $13.49. This is for a package weighing up to 2.5 kilograms. And I think that's equivalent to about 5 pounds. This is using Canada Post. The max weight for Poshmark in Canada Post is 5 kgs. In the US, it is 10 pounds. Same rules apply. You need to weigh your packages and purchase any additional weight for your shipping. In Canada, the shipping rates go as follows. 3 kilograms is $1. 3.5 kilograms is $2, 4 kilograms is $3, 4.5 kilograms is $4, and 5 kilos will be an additional $5. So if you weigh your package, it weighs up to 4 pounds, so we'll say 3.7. You're gonna have to purchase a 4 kg additional weight label, which would be $3. The seller is required to cover this additional cost, and it will be taken out of your proceeds for both US and Canada. Just to reiterate, you are required to weigh your packages prior to sending to make sure that you are not overweight. It's really easy to purchase the additional weight if you need be. Next, we're gonna go over how to do this. You want to go into your sale, you're then going to select need new shipping label. Next, you're going to select need heavier weight shipping label, and that's going to prompt you to be able to select the weight that you need. So you are required to weigh before you do this. When you do this and you select the weight, Poshmark is going to send you or email you a new shipping label with the appropriate weight on the label. You can double check this. I know in Canada, for some reason, the 2.5 kilogram shipping label has a different weight on it, but we are covered up to 2.5 kg. When you purchase additional weights, it should be correct on the label. All you need to do now is package up your package, put this new shipping label on it, and drop it off at the post office. Everything should be good, no problems. Now, there are consequences if you don't weigh your packages and you are shipping out overweight packages. Number one, in the US, Poshmark has cracked down recently on overweight packages. They are now sending messages out to sellers, letting them know that they run the risk of their account being suspended to make sure that they are weighing the packages and purchasing any additional weight. I recommend that if you are purchasing additional weights, that you are taking a picture of your package on the scale and screenshotting your additional weight being purchased. There have been some issues where packages are being misweighed at the post office, but this is just a good step to cover your butt on those big bundles. Now, if you don't do this, as I said, the risk that you run is that number one, Poshmark can suspend your account. Number two, the buyer can be charged at the receiving post office, and they will get a notice saying that they owe money on the package. Now, two things can happen. Number one, the buyer can refuse the parcel and it will be sent back to you. Or number two, they can accept the package and open a case stating that you did not purchase the additional weight on the item. These are two things that you do not want to happen, and I think would also go against you for Poshmark. One of the other things that Poshmark has stated is that they are possibly suspending accounts and restricting accounts. And when your account is restricted, you will probably see less activity and less sales coming into your account. If you feel that you have been following their rules and you're still getting their emails, please reach out to Posh support and request for them to look into your account and make sure that you are not restricted. And lastly, we're going to cover how this works in Posh live shows. So when you do a Posh live show, people are encouraged to purchase bundles. This is where they're getting the best deal for their items. When they purchase numerous items, Poshmark will now be bundling all of the items at the end of the show. They are going to be charged the base rate. So in the US, the $7.67 for a package up to 5 pounds. And in Canada, it's going to be $13.49 for a package to a max of 2.5 kg. You need to weigh your bundles before you ship them out. If there is an overage of weight and they exceed the 5 pounds or the 2.5 kg, this is where you're going to go in and pay for an extra weight label. This will depend on the weight of it, so make sure that you're being conscious of what the weights of your packages are. If your bundle weighs more than 10 pounds or 5 kilograms, you're going to have to break this bundle into 2 orders. I know it's kind of a pain in the butt. You cannot go over the max weights. You should not be going over the max weights. Also, keep in mind, as I've said before, this additional weight is going to come out of the proceeds. I do think you need to be cautious on what you're selling your items for and what the possible extra charge for shipping is going to be. In Canada, it's not as much of a concern because the max weight would be 5 kg and 5 pounds addition. But in the States, for a 10-pound box, you are paying $22 additional shipping. Also, I just want to toss one more note into here. Remember, this is not Poshmark setting the rates. This is the rates being set by USPS and Canada Post. This is what they have negotiated in their contracts. Unfortunately, they cannot change that. I hope this helps you when you're doing your live shows or if you're just creating bundles in your closet, and gives you the information that you need on how to address overweight packages, how to purchase them, and why you should be doing it. Okay, these are the basics for shipping. I hope they help you, as Posh live shows have now opened up to bundle shipping, and this answers any of your questions. If you do have any further questions, drop them down below. I would be happy to answer them. Also, if you have anything to share on this topic, please drop in the comments and help your fellow Poshers out. All right, if this is content that you enjoy, give me a thumbs up, let me know. Also, make sure you're subscribed because 50% of you are not subscribed to my channel, and I want you to join the crew. I am heading out of here. I'm wishing you all many sales, and I'll see you next time. Bye.